Nice.
Welcome to our channel.
So today, well, welcome back. If you're, well, let's stop for a minute. Welcome back. Jay, say hi.
Hello.
So today we are creek fishing again.
Again, because it's fun and we suck at fishing. So.
Yeah, so we're not kayaking like this channel is supposed to be like, but, or it's not, no, this is just fishing.
Our channel is supposed to be kayaking and fishing. It's both. It's not
So,
just one nor the other.
Yeah, so we're going to fish creek today near Alatoona, which is where we normally kayak and fish. So we'll see you out there. New GoPro strap, chest mount, and Jay has a new GoPro, so it should be a little bit more interesting.
I'm on. Nice little guy.
Should end towards his gut.
This is definitely that.
Did that work?
It did work. No, this is a good spot. Yep,
Yeah,
you're on.
I'm already on. Alright.
Is that a little bass?
Might be.
That's a little bass. Let's go.
Oh, sweet. Look at how tiny you are.
Oh, I'm on. I do this as soon as I hit the water.
These guys are hungry.
Dude, as soon as that hit the water.
Hey.
A bluegill.
Hey.
First double up.
Double up.
Double up. Let's
Double
go.
Up on dink.
Oh, we need a. This is.
Double up
I don't
on
care if it's a dink. Look at this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff.
Go.
Fist bump. There we go.
Dude, like I got smacked as soon as I hit the water.
Oh, look at all this.
Huh.
Oh, no way. You
Another
pulled him
one. I wanna.
in. Did you get him back in the
Yeah,
water?
he's in the water.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, he's following it. He's on.
I lost count how many numbers we have.
I'm on. Look at how it just doubled up again.
But
Off the water.
oh, I'm on though. Dude, as soon as I hit the water. As soon as I hit the water. Nice little guy though.
So, I'm like, we've explained it already. Those of you who don't think that this kind of fishing is fun, catching these like tiny dinks, obviously have never caught like a bream on like rods and everything. It is so much fun. Literally, as soon as it hits the water, like they're on it.
You gotta just find a good creek with some good depth. And then
And like
on.
like
I'm
little
on.
pools. Yeah, like Jay just put it in. Oh,
ooh,
He's
he's
a
a
little bit
pretty
bigger.
good size. And I mean, like he just caught a bass. Like
yeah. I
It's a
mean,
little
you can
bass,
still
but
catch bass. Bass. So, we're gonna get back to it. Let's keep going. Oh, I got one. Look how tiny he is. Jay, I got one. Super tiny. That's a dink. Even for our standards, that's a dink. See you later.
Oh, this is sick. I'm gonna start off right with this tiny little pocket right here. Just come on. The smallest fish I've ever caught on a hook. Look at him. He deserves an under the water release. You think I'm kidding? Oh well, he's gone.
turtle! Holy That's a turtle right there.
Like-
That's a huge turtle. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Where?
That's a huge turtle.
Where?
Okay, right there under the trees.
Yeah.
I just spotted a turtle. Look at how big this boy is. Look at how big he is. That's an alligator snapping turtle. It's starting to spin up.
Come on. I just dropped it in, dude. Oh. Come on. There we go. Got him.
Fast, wasn't it?
No, it was a big boy. I told you there was a big fish right there. Thanks, little guy. Oh, it's got bit. Oh, dude, these guys are so aggressive. These little bluegill. Come on. Oh, missed him. This might not be the most big fish episode, but this is probably one of the funnest things you can do. Come on. Patrick's on. Ooh, that's the biggest one of the day.
Fish on.
That's the biggest one of the day.
Jay, do you remember the last time we went creek fishing in our kayaks?
Yeah.
I have that footage, and I'm gonna add it in this video because we didn't have a YouTube channel yet. So I'm gonna add in this. We caught so many fish that day on our kayaks, but this is gonna be even more. Like we've already caught what?
We've caught at least.
But they're all
10.
Right now. They're all smaller. So
We're gonna go for some bigger fish now.
bigger fish.
Bigger fish now. Bigger fish time.
Caught a perch. Another species off the bucket list. Another one within the span of 5 minutes. So releasing this guy. Ready for it? And he goes. And another bluegill. The release. See you later, man. Another one. Another one. All right, Jay, you caught one, bro. Officially caught one.
You swiped at it?
Yo, Jay, another one. Another one. Beautiful fish, Jay. Beautiful fish.
You might, if you just pull straight, it might come off. Is it on the leaf or the? Dude, if you're gonna do that, pull straight. Pull, just walk backwards. Hold the drag and walk straight.
Dude, what the?
UAV online.
I would hold it, but I don't have another hand. Thank you. All right, we're leaving spot number 1, Little Alatoona Creek trails. Pretty productive, I think. Got one bass.
Except for once we
a
went
lot
past
of-
the bridge.
But I'm pretending like that didn't happen right now.
No, we're pretending like it did happen because
It did happen, and we actually recorded that. And I hope his little wiener's okay. But anyways, now I'm gonna try. We have about an hour left to fish. Maybe more like half an hour, but try a little park closer to my house. Maybe we'll catch a bass. Maybe we'll catch nothing, but that's
Might as well
fishing.
try. Fish, he's small. Oh, he's a good bluegill.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick with the.
Oh, wow.
You said he was small.
I thought he was small. Oh, well, he's got,
Concussion.
he's gonna die of shock.
Oh, I'm on. I got him.
No, you got it.
Let's go! Let's go!
Look at him!
I bounced it out of a rock. Let's go. He's bigger than I thought he was. Let's go.
So this is it. This is the end of the video. This is like our actual like planned video. The first video wasn't even planned. It was
We
sort of just
recorded stuff and we're like, all right.
let's put it together. So we did
now,
that.
we're gonna take this seriously and
Yeah,
but have fun doing it because we love to do it.
yeah, it was fun.
Hopefully